Hello, welcome back to WinTOTO tutorial, WinTOTO advanced tutorial. I'm using version 3.022. You can click on the help and click about WinTOTO advanced. You will see the version here. Okay, this is part 3 of the viewer. I'm going through the viewer again. Today I will show you how to use the filter with the full view or the DIY view, both of them. Okay, first I will start with the full view. I will give an example of selecting maybe a 12 number for easy demonstration. Okay, once you selected the 12 number, if you're doing a full view, you without a condition will be $462 for Singapore. Each ticket is 50 cents in system 7, so 924 ticket means $462. Okay, there are so many filters here. I will go through one by one. Odd and even. The first one is odd and even. O/E means odd and even filter. So what you're going to do here, if you are using system 6, you will find that there are 7 type of odd and even here. 0 odd, 6 even, the first one. Second one is 1 odd, 5 even. Third one is 2 odd, 4 even. Fourth one is 3 odd, 3 even. Okay, so it depends on how you do your analysis and what kind of filter that you're going to add in to your viewer, so that you can narrow down to the ticket that you want to buy. So just give you an example. If I were to add in a filter of 3 odd, 3 even, all you need is click on this and then click OK. You'll notice that on your right hand side, you'll see an odd and even filter -3. -3 means it's 3 odd, 3 even. That means this filter is already in place. What you need to do is you click the full view one more time after you add it. Okay, it will have a warning say you have already made changes. You click yes, and it will filter out the 900 over become 400 tickets. You're not sure what odd and even means. Okay, all you need to do is you can turn on the display condition column here, and down here will show you that there are 3 odd, 5, 13 and 33. 37 is an odd, 16, 26 and 30 is an even. So you have a 3 odd, 3 even. And you scroll down all the way, you won't see other combination except 3 odd, 3 even, because you have specified 3 odd, 3 even, not others. So all you need, if you want to change the condition, all you need is click on this one, and it will ask you whether you want to remove it or you want to add it. If I want to change, I just click edit. Okay, I will say I don't want 3 odd, 3 even. I want 2 odd, 4 even. You click OK, and you must do a full view again. And this time 225 tickets with 2 odd, 4 even. So if there are 6 number, if the result came out with 6 number in your 12 number selection and it is 2 odd, 4 even, you are guaranteed a jackpot winning. This is what it means for full view. Okay, besides full view, you can also make use of a DIY viewer. Same thing, it will use the filter, but once you employ a DIY viewer with a filter, you do not have the guarantee win anymore. Okay, you click on this, I'll let you see one more time. If I select win 6 guarantee 5, that means when you have 6 number, at least one line with a 5 number win. But because you have add in a condition, the guarantee is no more enforced. So you may not win 6. It may not win guarantee 5, even though you have a 6 number in place with the same correct condition. If you use a DIY wheel with a filter condition, your minimum guarantee will not, I repeat, will not be correct anymore, because once you have a condition added in, the DIY wheeler will not follow to this rule, win 5 guarantee 5 or win 6 guarantee 5 or this. You must understand this part. You are taking a risk when you use a filter. Okay, example, win 5 guarantee 5. Okay, you see 30 ticket instead of 100 over ticket, but even though you have 5 number here with the correct condition, yet you may not win a win 5 guarantee 5. This is the rule. If you want to ensure a guaranteed win, the only way is to use a full wheel. Let me try this filter again. Okay, you can edit. You can add multiple instead of 1. You can say I want 2 odd 4 even, 4 odd 2 even. Click OK. Then it will show you 2-4. Do a full wheel again. Yes. Then it will show you 2 odd 4 even, 4 odd 2 even also will be included in your wheel. Okay, what is N size filter? N size filter is when you go to the main display page, you'll find that on the last 3 columns, this is the N size filter. So if you study your statistic, if you have studied your statistic well, and you will make a forecast whether next draw is going to be 1, 0, 0 or 2, 0, 0 or whatever pattern, okay? So you can apply the condition here. You will say, okay, next draw, you can click on top and it will highlight all the 3. And you can say, I want 1, 0, 0 type of pattern. Then you do a full view again, yes, and you will notice that the filter it will filter out all those numbers that are not with this N size pattern. So your number of tickets will reduce further. Next is the sum filter. Sum filter allows you to set a certain range of sum that you want to play. Before you use the filter, you may have to study the sum analysis using this sum analysis table. Down here, there are this. You have to look at this sum table. What is the range that you would like to play? Okay. Once you have analyzed and found out what is the best sum to play, all you need to do is go to the wheeler, add in the sum filter. Okay, I want to play those number that is less than or equal to 149. You click OK and you do a full view. Yes, and you reduce further because you are using three type of filter. So your number of ticket has reduced to $56. Tremendous saving. But make sure when the result come out, the condition must be correct and the numbers is correct. Then you will have a guaranteed hit. This sum filter, you can also, instead of using less than or greater than, there is one option here. You can set the range that you would like to play. Example, you can set, okay, next maybe 130, from sum 130 to 136. You have to type the value in the sign box here. You double click and change the value. And then press the enter key. Click OK and it will change. And you can do a full view once you change. And it will reduce to the 28 ticket wall. Okay, so this is how you modify your sum you set in your filter. Okay, what is sum 2 filter? Sum 2 filter also is in this page. Sum 2 is referring to S2. Okay. Sum 3 is referring to S3. S3, how you get S3? You can go to the sum 3 number. And this is S3. Sum 4, sum 5 similarly. Then you have a sum set filter. Sum set filter is the statistic over this side. In the sum set analysis, you can come over to this side. These are the sum set. I will have a separate tutorial on how to use the sum in another tutorial. Okay. Okay. The next filter is in NG filter. NG filter is an important filter. It's a very important filter. When you click on the NG filter, it will display. I will explain a bit on this thing. The first called item. Second is the select. Which one do you want to use? You select. The NG column down here.
It's 1 o'clock.
You see that there is 1, 2, 3. It's referring to NG1, NG2, NG3, NG4. All the way until more than NG9. When there is a bracket multiplied by 6, it is telling you that there are 6 numbers in NG1, there are 5 numbers in NG2, there are 5 numbers in NG3, and all the way there are 13 numbers more than NG9. So you can specify the size that you want in your ticket. The computer automatic calculate for you. When the size down here 2 is referring that you want your ticket per ticket not more than 2. This is what it means. 2 means not more than 2. 1 means not more than 1 and in NG5. Okay. Then if you put 3, that means in your ticket will not have more than 3 numbers that has NG more than 9. This is what it means. So you can take a few, but usually I will click all. You select all of them, click OK, and you can do a full view. Then it will reduce the number of tickets for you. So NG filter is an important filter. Then okay, just now this NG filter is without bonus. Without bonus. Then if for some cases you may want to do a filter with NG filter with bonus. With bonus, that means it is one more number. That's why. Okay. So usually we don't combine both in the filter. So we only either use NG filter or NG filter with bonus. If you use a system servant analysis, I would suggest you use the NG filter with bonus. Alright, but once you do any changes in the system generation, all this filter must change. You must click on it, edit, and do some modification. If not, you will find an unpredictable result come out. That's why you'll notice that 2 odd 4 even become 2 odd 5 even, 4 odd 3 even. Okay, so you need to do adjustment once you change your system number here, and then you do a full view. Even the sum also you have to do adjustment, because the sum will be different once you use a system servant. So be careful if you do any changes in the system in the middle of your filter, you have to redo all your filter. There are a lot more filter down here, but I think today I will stop at this filter. The next part I will continue with the next type of filter. Thank you. Bye bye.